Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to center a div in an HTML file. So let's look at. So let's create one center.div HTML file first, and to do that I'm gonna click on shift and exclamation mark in VS Code. So that will generate HTML template for me. So this whatever inside this head part we don't need as of now, so we can just add a style tag for giving styling to our elements. So inside body tag, let's add one more div tag inside it, and let's call it as class container. So we have to align this division at the horizontally and vertically middle in the browser. So for that, just add one background to the body part. So here I'm gonna give some background to body to check the difference. So here I'm gonna add background color as yellow. So let's refresh this page now. So if you see, the background of body has become yellow, and to identify the division as well, I'm gonna give a red color to it. So for that, since it is a class, so I'm gonna say dot container. So inside that I'm gonna give background color as red, and to see it on browser I will have to give some height and width to it. So I'm gonna give 200 pixel, and for width as well I'm gonna give 200 pixel as width. So now if you refresh the browser, we are able to see this division at the right hand side. So now to make it align at the center both vertically and horizontally, we will have to make its parent division as display flex. So let's do that. And also I'm gonna give some height and width to this body as well. So for height we're gonna set 100 VH, and for width also we're gonna give it 100 VH. And since we have made this display property as flex, so to align horizontally at the center we will have to give something as justify content center. So if we do this step, then now you can see this division tag is now at the horizontally center at the body. So now we will have to align middle vertically. So for that we will have to give align item as center. Here we have this division at the center of the body. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Let's like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.